Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you an ERR 60 or an error 60 and you are trying to figure out what that is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first things first, the ERR 60 has to do with the lens and the actual physical movement of the lens. So the camera detects that the lens is not able to physically move properly. So the first order of business, if you get this ERR 60, is to just inspect your lens for anything that could be obstructing its movement, preventing it from moving freely and properly and smoothly. Once you've done that, if you see something and you get it out, great. If not, the next step is kind of the same either way, which is to clear the error out. You want to turn the camera off and then take the battery out and leave the battery out for a full minute. And then once the minute is up, you can put the battery back in, turn it on, and that'll clear the error out. And if you've been able to deal with the obstruction, or if the obstruction was just something, a temporary sensor issue, then you shouldn't have any issues going forward. If the problem persists, there might be something electronically going on the inside of the camera, for which you'll need to really consult Canon about. But anyways, hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.